Good evening everybody. Myself Vishvendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Acharya. Let's discuss some questions today. So you are being given the position time graph of a particle moving along x-axis, and you need to find velocity of the particle at t is equal to 5, t is equal to 10, t is equal to 15, t is equal to 20 and t is equal to 30 seconds. So before starting this question, we will follow the 4 steps. First is a silent mind, then idea, then information, then calculations. So the first is a be silent. Now let's look for the idea. The idea is that how to find velocity from position time graph. Now let's rack our brain for the information. What information do we have? So velocity is dx by dt, we know that, which is slope of the xt graph. So if I talk about velocity at t is equal to 5, so you just draw a tangent at t is equal to 5. So it's a straight line. So if this angle is theta, then this angle will also be theta. Then we have tan theta is equal to 10 by 10, which is equal to 1. And v is equal to tan theta is equal to 1. So at t is equal to 5 seconds, the velocity is 1. Let's check velocity for t is equal to 10. At t is equal to 10, we can see that there is a sharp turn. So the derivative is not defined because right limit and left limit are different. So it's a sharp point, so velocity is not defined here. The third is at t is equal to 15. So t is 15, you draw a tangent to that. This angle is alpha, this is tan alpha. So since angle is in clockwise sense, so velocity will be minus of tan alpha. And we can calculate that as minus of 1.4. For t is equal to 20, we again have a sharp point. So velocity is not defined here. And at t is equal to 30, since the angle is 0, so velocity will also be 0. So in this way you can solve your questions quickly. If you also want to have so solve questions with such precision and with the speed that I have performed here, you can also do that. Just work on the 4 processes. Just try to synchronize them. The processes are: don't hurry, don't be anxious, don't be depressed, don't be filled with thoughts, be internally silent, the first step. Then generate the idea, then retrieve information from your mind, and then do calculations. You can also have the same problem solving skills, even better than what I possess. So you have seen how I perform, how I solve questions. If you want to solve your questions with that much ease and that much expertise, then you can also do that. And in fact, in a way you can be better than me. Just follow the process, just work on the process, be an expert in the process. Just synchronize the 4 processes, which are silent mind, idea, information and calculations. Thank you and have a nice day.